To create Galaxy avatar on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into advanced features right here, and then you can scroll down until we find the Galaxy avatar. Select it, and then you'll be able to create your own new avatar by clicking on this plus button. It may also ask you to log into your Samsung account, and when it's ready, you can choose between those avatars that are visible right here. You can also attempt to create... No, I don't want ChatGPT. You can attempt to create your avatar with the camera, which means you'll be able to take a photo of yourself and then it will create avatar based on that image. And you can also choose one image from your gallery and that way use it as the avatar. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.